I am interested in exploring some gradients a little bit more. So what if I wanted to apply a gradient to text? So I just type something on the screen to have something on the screen. Excuse me. I'm interested in changing the fill, which is black right now, to a gradient color. So I'm going to go to a new panel, so window, and I'm going to go to appearance. And the second button down here allows me to add a new fill. But I don't want my standard fill, and even if I click on this, it gives me colors. But in this case, I want like a gradient. So I can go ahead and click on this gradient or another gradient, but I don't have the opportunity to change that gradient right here. So I'm going to close out of the appearance box. Now that I have some kind of gradient on it, I'm going to go to gradient to then change the color of my gradients. So this would change the black. This one would allow me to change the white. And now I have a little bit of a gradient in the text. Some other things in this text, I'm going to get rid of this gradient panel. If I click on the gradient button, I then can change the direction of the gradient. I can move these to get the effect that I want to get to my text. So I can change these around as well, but I did have to click on that gradient. So we used a bunch of different panels. We used the appearance to get that going. We used a gradient panel to change the color of the gradient, and then we also used this gradient button to change the direction of the gradient.